everybody, welcome back to the channel. My name is Paul and Guma, founder of PENNANT Lab. In today's video, we're going to be talking about a very specific stocks that looks extremely good right now. Okay, and as you've seen in the thumbnail, it's a bullish pennant. It looks really crisp, and we're going to break that down really quickly. And I'm also going to be answering some of you guys' questions in this morning's video as well. All right, the market closed like 40 minutes ago, and I think that was a good time to make a video about this stock. No, so right off the bat, the stock is it's a wheat stock. It's CGC, and CGC looks phenomenal. It had an amazing run today, and personally, I think that this is not over yet. If you look at the bottom of your newsfeed, you can see that they had a completion of like a study, and it showed no side effects at all with long-term use of CBD. And also, if you look at the chart, because that's usually what I focus on, the very first thing, and almost the only thing that I focus on is the chart. If you look at it in the 4-hour time frame, you can clearly see that there is a very clean bullish pennant on the chart. Okay, and where do I see this thing go personally? I love to see this thing go all the way up here. All the way up here to around like $28 to $31. Just anywhere in here within the next week or two, that would be great. I don't have any issues at all with this stock. It crushed earnings and it held its gains. If you look at it on the daily, it's still up here. There is some good volume. If we zoom in some more, we can see that the volume is actually kind of picking up. This looks really great. And personally, as a short seller, I would never put myself in the front of a bullish pennant. It's pretty much you're just asking to lose. So yeah, I wouldn't go short on it. Therefore, this is clearly a very good long opportunity, and we've done this too many times for me not to make a video about this. So if you're already in this, congratulations in advance, because this thing looks great, and I can't wait to see exactly how it's gonna open up tomorrow, so we can cover that as well. All right, now let's talk about you guys' questions. You have been asking me to do a follow-up on Fastly. Therefore, we're gonna look at that one right now. So here's Fastly, and my drawings are still on there. And for anybody, I know some of you got in like 2 weeks ago when I started covering this a long time ago, and it's been grinding up slowly and slowly. And yeah, there's been some opportunities to make some money intraday as well, and even on Friday. Friday was a really good day right here. There was a lot of money to be made here. And the nice thing about what happened today is that it gave everybody a second chance to buy the dip right in here. Okay, right in here. And now it looks like it's still on course to go all the way up here. I'm not bearish on it. I'm not bearish on Fastly at all until I become bearish on Fastly. Like, but right now, the stock is a hold for me. I don't have anything. There isn't anything wrong I can say about the stock. It's been going great throughout the past 2 weeks, and I think a major move is about to show up. Watch for a massive, watch for a day with a lot of volume, like at least 20 million in volume. Just watch for that, because whenever I see a lot of all of these volume being at that level, like average is literally the same exact volume for a long time, and then there's some outliers like this. Like just watch for another one to appear, probably like within the next few days. It's only a matter of time. So just keep your eyes on Fastly. If you're already in this, again, this is a hold for me. The next one that we're going to be talking about is Workhorse. And Workhorse looks like, okay, it's right in the middle of that zone. For all of you who have been subscribing to the channel, the reason why this is here is because I started making the video on Workhorse right after the bullish Harami. I literally have a video that says Workhorse to $30. And right now, Workhorse is literally $1 away from being at $30. And for all of you who are still holding, again, great job. Congratulations. This looks good. The stock didn't collapse and didn't pull another like Halion like this. it didn't pull one of those, right? And it just went straight up to 30 as planned. And it looks great. And again, don't be too greedy. It's okay to take some money off the table. It's completely all right. And because you can always get back in later. It's completely fine. There's some short sellers in here. They may cause some resistance, these individuals. So just watch out. Watch out. As soon as that level broke, I was like, okay, we definitely going to $30 for sure. But yeah, now that we're at $30, again, if it can consolidate and scare these short sellers, it may even go up to 40. You never know. So just keep your eyes on this one. It did great. I don't. There is nothing wrong with taking money off the table. That's really all I can say to y'all about this stock specifically. Now the next one that we're gonna talk about is another one, a very popular one that y'all been asking about. Is Solo. And Solo, there is a lot of short sellers in Solo right here. Too many of them. And then they added over here. And the next thing that they'll be trying to do is wait for these dip buyers to give in and to crack. And then as soon as it opens lower, below $9, the stock is gonna tank all the way down to like right in this region right here, somewhere in here. Again, I don't personally. I wouldn't chase this long. I really wouldn't. The stock is exhausted. Look at that wick right there. It's so long. That wick right here. Yeah, no, I would not chase this. Personally, I just wouldn't. I wouldn't. It was at a good price here, and then it started picking up volume here, and then it just went all the way up here. It's like the move is done. People are gonna take their money off the table. It's probably gonna collapse very soon. Personally, I wouldn't touch it to the long side. That is my very honest opinion of Solo. We got time for one more, and this one y'all gonna like it a lot. All right, this is gonna help out the beginners as well. We're gonna break down thoroughly Jumia. All right, and for those of you who are new to the channel, I talked about this way back here. Okay, way back here when we had this cup and handle right here, cup and handle. Okay, and then what happened was, and then also when I made that video, I said I would short the stock if it was to go all the way up to $30. I said I would. Okay, I said I would, and I wanted to see the stock go all the way up to $30. And then it kind of pulled this thing and then just dropped after, and then dropped through earnings and then went right back up to exactly where I wanted it to be. Okay. So this was a very nice move to the long side. Definitely a huge move to the long side. And again, this is the part that a lot of beginners are really going to like. So let's say that you just found Jumia today, right? And you wanted to make some money off of it. There's literally 3 different spots to really make money on this. 3 easy paid plays like on the chart. The first one is right here. The very first one. First reason is right here. There is a flag right here. Okay? There is a flag. First entry right there. And then the stock was very generous into giving you another opportunity to either add more money to your position or to get in if you missed the spot. Okay? So here's another one. And then the stock was even more generous. It gave you a bullish pennant right over here, right there, so that you can get in right here, okay? And then your only job after that is to pretty much cover anywhere in here to make money. Literally, yeah. So there was some opportunities to make money on this stock. Literally, just the stock alone, there was 3 different opportunities to make money on it. It was just a moneymaker today. And for those of you who are able to see some of this, congratulations. And to the beginners who still have a hard time reading charts, again, this is like a crash course right there. All right. So I hope this helps you. And again, if you got value from the video, destroy the like button for the YouTube algorithm as always. If you're new to the channel, definitely click on subscribe and click on the notification bell and all notifications. That way you'll get notified whenever I release these post-market analysis videos, along with the pre-market analysis videos, which are released every single day from Monday to Friday at exactly 8:15 a.m. Central Time, 15 minutes before the market opens. If you're not following us on social media, you can find me at Paul and Guma and at Patternology Lab on Instagram and on Twitter. The links are right up here, okay? And if you're a beginner looking to get started in the stock market, I left step-by-step directions in the description of the video below. Step 1 through step 4. It only takes 15 minutes to sign up and to get access to this amazing tool called Thinkorswim. This one is free to use if you sign up with TD Ameritrade. You can also get 3 free stocks after signing up with Webull using the very first link below, and 1 free stock after signing up with Robinhood using the second link in the description below as well. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, my name is Paul Nguma with Patternology Lab, where we trade patterns and patterns only. And I will see all of you in the next video. All right, in the next video.